Hey everyone, this is Sunglass Rob from SportRx, and I'm here with Todd, professional angler and Costa ambassador. And Todd is going to teach me a little bit about bass fishing. So I'm just getting into the sport, and we're going to get 5 tips for a newbie.
All right, good deal. So the first tip that I think as a bass fisherman you should learn, Rob, is how to throw a drop shot.
All right.
And that's a drop shot. It's really easy to use, and you catch a lot of fish on that particular rig.
Is that with the Palomar knot?
That's with a Palomar knot.
Yeah,
Yep.
I learned
how
the
to
Palomar knot, yeah.
Right on. And then using a bait casting reel can be very, very important.
All right.
This is a bait casting reel right here. And you can throw lures very far with the bait casting reel, with heavier lures.
Okay.
And you have better control over the fish once you learn how to use these reels.
All right, so I got to learn the drop shot and then learn how to use a bait casting reel. All right.
Casting reel, okay. And then another important thing, whether you're either in the boat or fishing from the shore, is knowing what the weather is going to be. The reason why it's important, the direction of the weather could mean where the fish are going to be located, and what to wear.
Oh, okay.
You know, you don't want to be out in 90-degree weather wearing a heavy jacket, and you don't want to be without your rain gear if it's going to rain.
Okay.
So that's a very important thing to have.
Nice.
And then, of course, fishing has a huge element of patience. Okay.
I'm working on that actually.
Yeah, so you have to be patient, because if you pick the right area and you know there's fish there, sometimes they might not bite right away, okay? And sometimes they might bite in the afternoon. So knowing when to leave and when to stay, but you gotta have patience.
All right.
Okay. And then I'd say the last thing would be practicing.
Gotta practice.
You wanna keep practicing. Obviously you're gonna have to practice, learn how to use that bait cast reel. You're casting, you want to have extra line just in case you get a little bird's nest or something in there that you can retie, but practice, practice, and practice.
I feel like that's a lost art in this modern world, is practice makes perfect. You gotta start somewhere.
Yeah, definitely.
I think even me as a newbie, I got maybe 2 bonus tips.
All right.
First one is bring beer.
Yeah.
Don't forget the beer. And the second one is your sunglasses. Don't forget about your polarized sunglasses. You got to cut through the glare of the water. You got to protect your eyes. I'm an optician, so I'm always worried about people ruining their eyes. UV protection. You gotta see well. What's your brand of choice there?
I use Costas.
Yeah. Is it Costa or Costa?
I call it Costa. You know, tomato.
Yeah. That's a little joke for you. So hopefully those tips were helpful if you're a new fisherman like I am. If this video was helpful, we'd love a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you out there. Later.